Hello guys, it's me Valso Gamer and today we're gonna learn how to install and set up OBS. So let's begin! First thing, open your search engine. Oops, wrong monitor. Okay. Second thing, go to the first link in the description or type OBS and click this. Okay. Then go click Windows, or if you don't have Windows, then you must click Mac or Linux. Yes. When when we click Windows, it will come here and click Save, and you probably know how to install apps. So yes, install it and close it, and I will open. Um, where's OBS there? I will open second OBS because I'm recording with OBS. So yes. Okay, wrong monitor again. So, oops. I probably will turn this on. No, wrong. Oh, this. Okay. So, when you have opened, you don't have any. You have only this scene fun. I don't know, and you have nothing in here. I will create a new purpose of for purpose of video, and you don't have anything here. It looks like this, and you probably have only your computer's audio and your microphone. If you don't have microphone, I don't know, you have to add it, but probably you have it. So when you first open OBS, I recommend you going to tools and clicking this and choose if you are gonna stream more than record, then click this. But if you're gonna record and stream little, yeah, less, then next, and you can choose your monitor size, but I'm using this, and you can use this. This, you can change the FPS, yes, but I'm not, and then you can click next, but I'm not gonna click it. And if it doesn't work still when you start recording and it says some, I don't remember what, but it says error message here, I recommend go into settings and go into video, no output, and change output mode from simple to advanced, and click recording, and um, recording format, it can be, but change the bitrate, lower the bitrate, and you can change this thing if it don't help. Okay, and then click apply and okay, and it should work. Oops. But then if you want to record something, you must click this and choose. If you want a game, then click this and add game, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna add display capture. Okay, and you can choose the monitor, yes, and you can enable this or disable. It's enabled for default. I recommend yes, keeping these settings, but if you don't want to your cursor to be captured, then click this, but I want, so yes, and then you can do this, resize it, or you can do resort, no, um scale filtering, no, uh, transform fit to screen. Now it is perfect. And now you can hit the start recording. But if you have in the video settings no output, the recording settings set to where it use stream encoder. Then if you have set it, and here recording path you can change where the recording go. But if the thing is in the use stream encoder, you don't have this here. So I recommend you not using stream encoder so you can get this posting. You can I want to post and can let me um no, now it's post, rec post, and if you click it again it will continue recording. Yes, it's little, yes, I don't know, but yes, okay, to be okay. So now you have OBS that works maybe. Yes, okay, okay. So go into the folder where you have the OBS. I have in this desktop stuff. I don't know what is the English, but then locate your video and open it. You don't have this here, so I recommend you not using stream
So
encoder.
yes,
So you can
if
get
you
this
have any,
posting.
if you have trouble
Post
with
again.
OBS, let me know. I can maybe help with
Again.
your problem. Okay. Yes.
Okay, if you want like more tutorials about OBS, let me know in the comments so I can do them. Okay, bye. Have a nice day, everybody.